Alright, so I'm here with this Mazda 3 again. We were trying to chase the noise that we thought was the bearing from the passenger side. Like I told you when I did the lower control arm. You know, we have a firm, I guess, no tie rods, no lower ball joints because I changed the lower control arm. Old one. Yeah, that's the old one. I showed you that bushing that was bad in there. So now I get to this side because I'm trying to see if maybe it's the transmission or something making noise, and I don't know if you could really see that, but look how this wheel has play. And we checked the lug nuts, and it's not the lug nuts. He changed the lower control arm a couple months ago, and a tie rod will not move this much. So yeah, I mean, obviously compared to this side, this is rock solid. You're not gonna get anything to move there. So we're gonna take this apart and see. Well, you probably can't see it until we take it completely apart, but yeah, I just want to show you what a bad bearing is.